Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google Chrome version 146 is now available, which is now the latest stable release. So to check we have this latest update, we head to our main menu, Help, About Chrome, latest version in bold 146.0.7680.71 or 72, either or on Windows, Mac, and Linux means your browser is fully patched and up to date. Now, according to the changelog for this latest stable release, Google hasn't listed any security updates, but I'm sure that's just a matter of time before they do that, because Google is in the habit of late to push out the update and then not give us the security fixes. That has been happening over the last couple of weeks. So I'm sure there are security fixes that have been made available for this week in Chrome version 146. And obviously, if anything major happens, like a 0-day or anything like that, over and above just our regular security fixes that do roll out, I will let you guys know. But I'm almost positive, although nothing listed, that we do get security fixes with version 146. Now, this is quite a light release for your so-called average home user. And a lot of the focus is for developers, taking place under the hood. So lots of developer-focused changes and improvements. But for the general public, quite a light release. Now, there is one new improvement I just want to bring to your attention from the Chrome platform status. There's an improvement for the WebNN, which stands for Web Neural Network API, which basically allows web apps to run neural networks directly on your local hardware, being your GPU and your CPU, without sending data to a server, improving privacy and speed for tasks. So that's a bit of a privacy and security enhancement taking place under the hood. And if you are asking the question, does the workaround to enable Manifest v2 extensions like uBlock Origin still work? Yes, it does. And I'll leave the video I posted on that, how to enable uBlock Origin. I'll leave it linked down below and in the end screen. It's helped quite a few people out. So that still works. Now, something else that I'm quite happy to see finally start making its way into the stable version of Google Chrome. Although it's not listed in a changelog, and although it's not a default feature, you can now enable vertical tabs using an experimental flag. So if vertical tabs is something you were waiting for, then I can show you how to do that before it rolls out as a default feature. So if you want to enable vertical tabs and are comfortable fiddling with experimental features, what we do is we head up to our Omnibox and we enter Chrome://flags into the address bar, hit enter, and all you type in is vertical. And as mentioned, this flag is now available with this latest release. So vertical tabs enables an option for showing tabs to the side. We change that from default to enabled, and then we relaunch the browser to apply that flag. And now you will see, once that flag has been applied, if we right click on our tab strip at the top, you'll see move tabs to the side. And there we go. There's our vertical tabs in the latest release, and you can collapse those vertical tabs. You can create a new tab group directly from the vertical tabs. You can look at your search tabs. You can obviously open up new tabs, so you get the general idea. And if you want to put everything back, you right click at the top, move tabs to the top, and there we go. And something else, if you want to enable vertical tabs from the settings, you can also head to your main menu, settings, appearance, and here you'll see tab strip position. So you can pop that to the side and you can pop that to the top. And that's obviously only with that flag enabled. It's not a default feature, so just take note of that. So vertical tabs now is behind an experimental flag, so I'm sure it's only a matter of time before vertical tabs becomes available as a default feature in the stable version. So guys, that's more or less what's new in this latest release, focused mainly on developers. I'm sure there are security fixes that have rolled out, and obviously that vertical tabs, I think, is a nice move in the right direction. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.